We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive analysis of the ATHMILE water shoes for women and men. These quick-dry aqua socks are designed for a variety of activities such as swimming, beach outings, yoga, exercise, and outdoor adventures like camping and hiking. The product is highly rated with an average score of 4.4 out of 5 from over 18,000 customer ratings, indicating strong user satisfaction. From the outset, users have praised these water shoes for their comfortable fit and flexibility. The shoes are made from stretchy, breathable fabric that conforms snugly to the foot, offering a barefoot-like experience while still providing protection. This design allows for a wide range of foot sizes and shapes to be accommodated comfortably. Many users have noted that the shoes feel lightweight, almost like wearing socks, which enhances comfort during extended wear. A standout feature of these shoes is their quick-drying capability. The fabric efficiently absorbs moisture and dries rapidly, preventing the discomfort of soggy footwear and reducing the risk of blisters or fungal infections. This makes them ideal for use in wet environments such as pools, beaches, and water parks. Additionally, the shoes are easy to rinse and clean, which helps maintain hygiene and freshness. Safety is a critical factor for water shoes, and the ATHMILE model excels with its slip-resistant rubber sole. The sole's tread pattern provides excellent traction on wet and slippery surfaces, which users have found reassuring when walking on rocks, wet floors, or uneven terrain. This feature has made the shoes popular not only for water sports, but also for hiking and exploring rugged outdoor environments. Users have shared their experiences of wearing these shoes in diverse scenarios. For example, one reviewer took them on a cruise and ended up hiking through a jungle and exploring Mayan ruins. Despite the unexpected activities, the shoes remained comfortable, and the feet did not suffer from pain or discomfort. This versatility is a significant advantage for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who want a single pair of shoes that can handle multiple conditions. The shoes are also favored for their lightweight and compact design. They fold easily and take up minimal space in luggage, making them an excellent choice for travel. Many users use them as shower shoes, poolside footwear, house slippers, or boating shoes. Their multi-purpose nature adds to the overall value. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the shoes do not provide significant arch support, which may be a concern for people with specific foot conditions or those who require orthopedic support. Additionally, a few have found the sizing chart somewhat confusing, recommending careful measurement before purchase to ensure the best fit. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus is overwhelmingly positive. The shoes are considered a bargain for their price, delivering quality, durability, and performance that exceed expectations. The fabric seams are strong, and the materials hold up well even after repeated use and washing. In terms of aesthetics, the shoes come in various sizes suitable for both adults and youth, and they are unisex, catering to both men and women. The design is simple yet functional, focusing on performance rather than fashion, which appeals to practical users. For those who enjoy water sports, beach activities, yoga, or outdoor adventures, these water shoes offer a reliable and comfortable option. They protect the feet from sharp objects, hot sand, and slippery surfaces while maintaining breathability and quick drying. Their versatility extends to use in pools, rivers, and even casual indoor wear. If you have experience with these ATHMILE water shoes, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is valuable for the community. Remember, the link to purchase these shoes is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Overall, the ATHMILE water shoes stand out as a must-have accessory for anyone seeking comfort, protection, and versatility in water-related and outdoor activities.